A very pleasant morning, esteemed chief guests, respected secretary sir, cherished faculty members, parents, and my beloved students. We gather over here to celebrate 74th Republic Day. I, Mr. Ejaz Ahmed, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is the day when everyone must come together to show the whole world that this nation is the best nation under the sun. We have different culture and customs, but above this, we all are Indians. Dear audience, for every Indian, 26th January is the day of pride. On this day, the Constitution of India was written. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days after boundless efforts of Constitutional Assembly to complete the draft of Indian Constitution. 26 was the day when we got own Constitution. We are now the first of world's biggest democracy. Our Constitution protects the rights of the people inside the country. So let us celebrate together. Today we are not only celebrating the Constitution of India, but also remembering the martyrs, the real heroes of our nation. वतन हमारा ऐसा कोई न छोड़ पाए, वतन हमारा ऐसा कोई न छोड़ पाए, रिश्ता हमारा ऐसा कोई न तोड़ पाए, दिल एक है, जान एक है हमारी, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, ये शान है हमारी. Thanks a lot. Once again, wishing you all a happy Republic Day. वेलकम सॉन्ग के लिए आप बच्चे रेडी हो जाइए. वेलकम सॉन्ग के लिए